Welcome Jammers, Flamestar112 here, and welcome back to another Animal Jam video. So sorry for the, echoey thing. Let me get out of here. Perfect. Welcome back. Today's video will be about trading with me, trading with COOLPUP 826. So yeah. So I was just checking what items were worth just in case, cause strings. So yeah, let's done. So the video, it's not like trust trade, of course not. That's against the Animal Jam rules, I guess, yeah. So no trust trading, because even my buddies, I'm not saying I don't trust my buddies, but I definitely can't trust people. Should we start trading? Sure. Yeah, let's get started. So they just said, as you've been looking, I've been looking for a purple long, and I think they got it. Let me see. Oh no, he just has their pink long, but sadly I can't. I'm trying to trade for the purple long, but no luck. And they're completely offering their list. So if you think their list is fair, comment down fair or unfair, or just say needs a little add, like a short wrist, short spike collar. Look at her list. Kind of lagging, guys, sorry about that. Guys, for my opinion, I think it needs a bit of an ad. No offense, I'm sorry, but it needs completely an ad. So yeah. Okay, so I just sent her stem beta for Cupid wings, and but I think that's really fair. So whoa, a penguin just came inside of here. What? Hey, Miss Penguin, nice to meet you. Can I have those red hat ears for you'll be able to make a free masterpiece with this. Have it. Oh, come on. Guys, also, I'll have to take, I'm going to the United States for an emergency. You didn't lose your nerves, yeah, sure, I just saw them on your list. Okay, this person, yeah, you liar. Quite lying. Lying is going, they're gone. They're on your list. So, yeah. Oh, yeah, those are my sisters. Yeah, sure, you have a sister, Liars these days. Oh, some drama going on. Liars these days. Liars these days. Yeah. why lie? Guys, today's video is gonna be about this lie going on. Wow, you guys saw I watched, I think it did get caught on camera. Oh yeah, she left. Oh yeah, yeah, you better leave. She probably was trying to scam you. She probably trying to scam you. I hope she got and she's tried to scam me, and then she probably tried to scam you. Oh my god, she thought the same thing. Guys, shoutouts to with the lime so unrare. Oh wait, oh my god. Oh my god. I know what she was trying to do, guys. So she was trying to scam COOLPUPS 800 26 her nerds. She was trying to scam your nerds. She was literally trying to scam your nerds, girl. Come on, you should have checked. Every single time somebody comes into my den or I go to gym and they're like, I got scammed or something, or I don't know, every gym I go to, I have to check their trade list just in case. I'll try to get her a purple short, but I really want a fair trade for them, because I also got a I thought that was a reverse spike. I also got an earn for my first black long, which I'm looking forward to. Those are first look at their glossies. Hope you guys enjoy this scammer cotton camera report. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please report the scammer. Remember, no hate comments on this. Go to Flamestar's chance to see proof. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Like this, and remember, my giveaway might be in 2 days if I don't get to go to the United States soon, for an emergency. So guys, like, subscribe, hit the notifications button, turn them on, use your name down on the comments and your status, and hope you enjoy it, and stay up for my latest video. And don't forget to subscribe to COOLPUPS 826 YouTube channel. It's the same, it's her username. So hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, like I said. I know I said it so many times, and see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.